If you're looking for a quick and easy guide on how to integrate affiliate tracking with Shopify or WooCommerce, you're in the right place. In just a few minutes, I'll walk you through the process so you can start tracking affiliate sales on your store and boost your marketing efforts. First, let's address why you'd want affiliate tracking in the first place. Affiliate tracking allows you to manage and monitor the sales generated through affiliate links, ensuring that commissions are paid correctly. Whether you're using Shopify or WooCommerce, integrating this tracking can streamline your process and optimize affiliate campaigns. We'll be using a software that helps integrate affiliate tracking with both Shopify and WooCommerce. Now, I've tested several options, and this one stands out for its simplicity and reliability. You can find a link for an exclusive free trial of this software in the description below, just for viewers of my channel, so be sure to check that out if you want to follow along. The first step in integrating affiliate tracking is installing the software. For Shopify, go to the Shopify App Store and search for the affiliate tracking app we're using. Install the app, then follow the prompts to connect it to your store. For WooCommerce, you'll need to go to your WordPress admin, navigate to the plugin section, and search for the affiliate tracking plugin. Install it and activate the plugin. Once installed, you'll need to configure the settings. This will typically include setting up commission rates, choosing whether to track affiliates by links or cookies, and adding your payment information for payouts. Make sure to set up accurate tracking so that affiliates are credited properly for their sales. Next, you'll want to add affiliate links to your products. For Shopify, once the app is installed and connected, it will automatically generate affiliate links for each product you create. For WooCommerce, you may need to manually create affiliate links or use the plugin's integration tools to generate them. This software makes it easy to track all the clicks, conversions, and commissions associated with each link. Now let's test it. The key here is to make sure the tracking works accurately. Go ahead and click on an affiliate link yourself to simulate a sale. Then check the dashboard within the software to ensure that the click and conversion are properly logged. With everything set up, you're ready to start using affiliate tracking for your Shopify or WooCommerce store. This software simplifies the entire process and lets you focus more on growing your affiliate network and less on worrying about the tech side of things. So, to recap, first, install the affiliate tracking app or plugin on your Shopify or WooCommerce store. Then, configure your settings. Be sure to set up commissions, tracking methods, and payments. Finally, generate affiliate links and test the system to ensure everything's working smoothly. The key takeaway here is that integrating affiliate tracking with Shopify or WooCommerce is a straightforward process that will save you time and ensure your affiliates are properly credited for their efforts. If you're serious about scaling your affiliate program, I highly recommend using this software, and don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.